Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, what you got, man?
I got a big word.
A big word. We like big words. What you got?
Isopraxism.
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 I said that right, right? Okay.
Yes.
Isopraxism. What is an isopraxism?
Okay.
What's that?
I will read. Okay. It's also known as mirroring.
Mirroring. Okay. All right. That I've heard of.
Okay. Yeah. So it's where you subconsciously like imitate each other.
Yeah.
Have you ever been on, this happens on Zoom sometimes. Mm-hmm. Zoom, Google, whatever. The great debate.
The great debate. Which one's best?
Which one's best?
Yes.
It's not the point of the show.
Not important.
All right. So you're on the video calls and like the person messes with their hair.
Yeah.
And like all of a sudden you find that you've just messed with your hair too.
Yeah.
Or I don't know, you might be out with Sam, y'all are like walking and all of a sudden like your cadence just kind of falls in and you guys are walking in perfect sync.
Yeah.
Or
a yawn. Have you seen these?
Yawns are contagious.
They're contagious.
Are they?
I
Or
don't
is
know.
this isopraxism of some sort? I'm not sure what happens with a yawn. That's kind of just one of these mysteries of the universe. If you know, DM me.
There was a Mythbusters episode on it like a long time ago. I know.
I'm going to watch this. I'm genuinely intrigued.
Like they put everybody in like one little office and then like one of them yawned. It was like a plant. They yawned and then you just see everybody start yawning. It was the craziest thing ever.
It's nuts.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know if that's isopraxism necessarily, but the idea of mirroring is that when you're bonding with somebody, that happens. So you start doing the thing that they're doing. They cross their legs and kind of sit back in their chair. Well, you cross your legs and sit back in your chair too.
Yeah.
Like you're both like they lean forward, you lean forward.
Think Jaws.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, the
kid in Jaws.
imitating dad.
Yeah.
That is maybe a little bit of it. This is more a subconscious thing. So that was exactly not it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So
I do not know what an isopraxis is.
here's why it's important. If you know this, you can use it.
You can use it.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
You can actually use it in your favor when it comes to building relationships with people in business and in negotiation.
Okay.
So using mirroring is a way of helping somebody get at ease with you. And it's funny, as human beings, we kind of, we seek things that are comfortable and familiar because they're safe. Like our brains tell us there's safety and comfort and familiarity.
Yeah.
So we seek that out. If you're in a kind of tense negotiation, or if you're in, a business negotiation where you're trying to build some rapport, but you're trying to work with somebody, this can be something that you can use to actually help you build that rapport. So you can, and this isn't necessarily about do what they do, but repeating back things that they say can be helpful. People feel maybe a little more understood. This is the whole thought of finding commonality. A lot of times we do this when we're talking to people. You're finding common things with them. So the idea is to mirror behavior back to them that helps them understand that they can feel comfortable and that maybe there's some familiarity between you and this other person. All of a sudden, some of the guard comes down, and now we can speak like two human beings. So, it can be used as kind of it's a tactic.
Yeah, this could be used as a weapon. Honestly, like this could definitely be used as a weapon.
So I learned this from an FBI hostage negotiator.
Okay.
In a book called Never Split the Difference.
Okay.
So
All right.
we're going to have a couple more that I think are going to be fun when it comes to negotiation. But this is a tool for negotiation. It's using mirroring behavior. And you can go and get more information on that in the Never Split the Difference book. And it's pretty intriguing. And there's some cool stories about hostage negotiations.
Yeah.
Which is, next level when compared to, getting into the negotiation over.
Well, sometimes it feels that way.
Yeah.
Sometimes it does feel like a hostage negotiation. in our industry, if we're honest.
If you have young kids, you'll appreciate this, but we always...
That is always a hostage negotiation.
No, bedtime.
That's for sure.
Bedtime is a reverse hostage negotiation. You don't want them to come out. You want them to stay in. What can I do to make you stay where I put you? That's a reverse hostage negotiation. Okay. Like, stay there. So, anyway, for all you with young kids.
All right. So isopraxism.
Isopraxism. Yes.
Isopraxism. I learned a new word today. Apparently, I'm totally forgetting this in 2 minutes. Anyway, guys, there you have it. Go mirror something today, I guess, and build something awesome.